warm welcome to you all. So it's Annie, isn't it? This is Annie, and I'm Dennis. All right, isn't it, Annie? Yeah. And she's a talking dog, aren't you, Annie? Yeah. Yeah, she talks. Right, I've got the brain teaser from Tuesday for you. What is the furthest distance a person cycled in a week? And the answer was, what was the answer, Annie?
2,700.
Was it? 2,077 was the answer. 2,077 miles, which was 3,500 kilometers, or 311 miles per day. This gentleman did every day for a week. Right, and we've got today's brain teaser, haven't we, Annie? Yeah. How many cans of drink can a parrot open in 1 minute? Right, there's a world record, another Guinness World Record. A parrot, apparently, from America, opened up drinks cans. We're not talking about tins of beans, we're actually talking about drinks cans, as in Coca-Cola and lemonade and all that, and possibly beer as well. But the question is, how many cans of drink can a parrot open in 1 minute? And this was a Guinness World Record as well. And we've got a
Video.
Yeah, we got a video for you. So I'm going to let you watch this video. It's not long, it's about just over a minute and 20 seconds, I think it is. So we're back in about 1 minute and 20 seconds, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. We're back, Annie. Yeah, we're back. We're back with your answers. Hope you enjoyed that with the parrot. Right, we've got... Now, the answer to the question was 2,077 miles. Okay, so remembering it was 2,000 miles, just over. We're going to go with the answers. And we got a winner, and she's been on holiday. It's Leah X. She's come straight in with 2,000 miles, so she's practically spot on. Well done to Leah X. Right, we've got Top Dog X. She came in with 700 miles. Funko Freddy and Co., which is Pabs from Newcastle, he said 730 miles. Sharon Carlisle with a famous number, 800 miles. Ken's retirement at Maple Leaf Forge in Canada, he went with 1,750 miles, so he wasn't too far off. Gary Biker, he came in with 1,000 miles. And last but not least, it's Lisa Barker, Lisa, and she came in with 1,500 miles. So the answer was 2,077 miles. So all in all, very good effort from everybody, but the winner was Leah X, so well done to Leah X. And your music is called Kick the Can, yeah, by the Mini Vandals. Okay, the music was Kick the Can by Mini Vandals, isn't it? Yeah. Right, I haven't looked at the dates, but I'm going to take a month off doing the brain teaser So I can't remember what date it is going to be on the Friday, but the nearest Friday to December will be my last survey question or brain teaser for this particular year. So I'll be taking about a month off, aren't we? Back in January. But I'll be posting probably other videos, but not the actual brain teaser. So I'm going to give it a rest for about a month, and we'll get back on the first week in January, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And we'll see you all, excuse me, see you all on Thursday morning with the answer.
Yeah.
Yeah. So enjoy Wednesday and all the very best. And it's bye-bye from, and it's bye-bye from me. All the best. Bye-bye.